Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your business logo. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you make a business logo for free in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a logo for free in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. And sometimes you need to display a logo of some sort, especially on your social media. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, you can create a logo for free with the Canva free edition. Of course, there are paid versions that you can have access to other templates, but we'll go over that shortly. So in order to create a free logo in Canva, first you want to do is click on the search bar here at the top and type in logo. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a lot of the templates that are available in Canva to create a logo, but you want to click on see all right here on the right. Okay, so here are the logos that are available in Canva. You can see some of these are really quite creative. Now, most of these are free. However, if they have a dollar sign right here on the bottom right, or they have a crown right here on the bottom right, those are paid versions. So if you want to filter by the free ones, just click on all filters right here at the top. And then here on the left, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on free and then click on apply. Okay, so now it's reordering. Okay, so here are the free logos that are available to create in Canva. So as you can see, these are still really good. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one kind of lines up with your brand. So let's see here. All right, so this one looks pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and choose this one. All right, so the nice thing about Canva when you're creating a logo with them is once you've chosen a template, they're going to show you other ones that are related. So you can sometimes find a better one if you scroll down a little bit. For me, this one works okay. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so now it's opening up the design editor in Canva. So we can go ahead and edit this logo. However, the first thing I'll normally do is right here at the top, I'll go ahead and rename it. So let's do Make Money Anthony logo creation. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and edit it. So the thing about making a logo on Canva, it's actually pretty easy. It's like setting up a Facebook page. So as you see these kind of purple boxes, once you hover over it, that means you're going to be editing that section. So you can easily just click into it. So my name's not Daniel, so I'll go ahead and just maybe put Make Money Anthony. Okay, so this one actually looks pretty good. However, if you want it to be more uniform, like what it was, you can go ahead and just triple click it. And then we can go ahead and decrease the size of these letters a little bit up here on the top. And that way it looked like it did before. So there we go. Okay, so that looks good. And then maybe want to go ahead and change the initials. So what we'll do is over here on the left, we'll click on text and then add text box. All right, let me move this around because it's overlapping right here. And then I'll just remove this D and then I'll just go ahead and triple click and make this a D. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and resize this. So we'll make it a lot bigger as it was before. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and drag it up here. We don't want it a D, we'll do an A. And you can see this font is not the same. So what we're going to do is up here, we're going to click here on Clear Sans, and then we'll just scroll through and then see what font we want. So this one actually matches right here. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and keep increasing the size of this. So we'll do 100 on this. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then with this G, we'll go ahead and click in here, and then that we can go ahead and edit it. And we'll just shrink that down to match it up. And then maybe we can kind of center this out a little bit. Okay, so we're getting there. And then what we want to do is if you want to add something else into this logo, you can easily just click over here on elements. And then there's just a lot of different elements you can add into it. So you can add in charts, you can add your picture if you want. So these are frames. So maybe you want to go ahead and add my picture. So I'll just drag this on over here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now it's covered up. So basically my picture, I'm going to drop into the circle. You can also use other shapes. And then here on the left, click on uploads, and then it's going to show all the pictures you have in Canva. So you can easily just drag it over. If you don't have your picture here, you can upload it from your computer by clicking on this purple button. Once it's uploaded, it'll be stored here for future work in your Canva. And then all you do is just drag the picture right over the circle. All right, so you can see it's right there, and we'll just drop it right in. Okay, and now you can see the G disappeared. So all we're going to do is just click on the circle and then right click on it and go to layer, and we're just going to move it back, send back right here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then over here, you can go ahead and maybe you need to draw something on it. You can do that with a pencil. So you can choose one of these and just kind of write right over it. As you see, I'm going to go ahead and delete that right here. And there's other elements. So you just kind of want to play around with it until it fits your brand. So for example, this right here looks like it's a little too big, these wording, but that's okay for now. Okay, so now that you're done with your logo, if it fits your brand and you're okay with it, you're going to go ahead and click on share here on the top right. All right. Once you do that, you're going to want to click on download right here. Okay. Now you want to go ahead and choose the file type for your logo that you created for free on Canva. So usually I'll use PNG, but you can also do PDF if you want. You can create a GIF out of it if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a PNG. And then you just want to click on download. Okay. Now it's downloading. Okay. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay. So there is my logo that I created on Canva for free. So I can go ahead and use this on my website. I can go ahead and add it into my business card or wherever you normally share your logos. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a logo for free in your Canva account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.